Hey guys, welcome back to Mad About Skin. Peptides are one of the most effective ways of boosting collagen and elastin production in our skin. The more collagen we have, the more minimized our fine lines and wrinkles will appear. And that's why peptides are often considered a holy grail in anti-aging skincare. However, different peptides work in different ways when it comes to our skin. So in this video, I want to share with you my top 3 peptide combinations for maximizing anti-aging, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and shaving off a good few years from our appearance. Sit back, relax, let's talk the best collagen boosting peptides. Now, before we get into today's video, I would of course love to know your own hot take when it comes to peptides. What's your favourite peptide serum out there? Sound off in the comment section below, because your recommendations really do shape the products I try out and review here on the channel in the future. I'm going to be sharing with you my own personal favourites throughout this video, so I always like to say these are completely sponsorship-free recommendations. I don't do sponsorships or paid partnerships here on the channel, because by turning down that coin, I just feel it helps me to retain my independence. If you want to support me as a sponsorship-free content creator, the very best way of doing that is by reaching down and giving this video a big thumbs up and a like. The more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So from the bottom of my heart, love to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So peptides are obviously a hot topic in skincare at the moment. You're seeing a lot of new products and serums hit the market, and lots of articles, blogs and videos talking about the power of peptides when it comes to anti-aging. Of course, it's only anecdotal, but I can share from my own experience, peptides have really transformed my skincare routine. I started using them around 2.5 to 3 years ago, and I've seen some absolutely wonderful results. Peptides are long-chain amino acids, which you apply topically to the skin and then they break apart. And they work in 2 different ways. Certain peptides can encourage the body to increase the rate of collagen and elastin production, great for anti-aging. Other peptides, when they break apart, actually feed the body the ingredients that it needs to produce that collagen. So you're kind of getting a double whammy. You're getting that instruction, that recipe to create more collagen, and you're also getting the ingredients needed to make that collagen cake. And I think it's this double whammy, which is why peptides are just so powerful. Now, as with everything in skincare, there are people that love peptides, like myself. There are others that say they didn't get the results that they expected from it. You know, it's always worth remembering our skin is unique, like each and every one of us. And different people will get different responses from different ingredients, which is why I always love to hear your thoughts and opinions. So please, honestly, do sound off in the comments section below, because I'd love to hear your experiences. For me, peptides have been transformative, but different ones will do different things. So in this video, I thought it'd be a really cool chance to just sit down and share with you 3 different types of peptides which can help boost collagen production in the skin for the very best anti-aging. They all work in different ways, and so I hope by giving you this information, you guys out there can make the right decision when it comes to your own skin's needs. So kicking things off, when we talk about the best collagen producing peptides, it's a little ingredient called matrixyl. Now, matrixyl has been around for a few years, and the reason I want to start with this is it's one of the best and well-studied peptides when it comes to anti-aging. So there's been quite a few recent studies done onto matrixyl and its benefits in the skin, particularly with boosting collagen production. And these studies show some really great promise when it comes to this ingredient. So matrixyl actually is a trade name for a blend of 2 different peptides, both of which will encourage the body to increase the rate of collagen production. And one recent study showed that if you apply matrixyl to the skin twice a day, morning and evening, for 3 months consistently, people on average saw a 12% reduction in the depth of fine lines and wrinkles. That's pretty good when you think of all those lotions and potions that we've bought, we've applied, and we've spent our hard-earned coin on that haven't delivered half of that. To get a 12% reduction in the depth of our wrinkles, you know what? That's an investment I'm happy to make. And matrixyl, whilst it's trademarked, honestly, is quite an inexpensive ingredient, so you don't need to pay top dollar to get it in your skincare routine. So the best selling matrixyl serum on the market is the ordinary matrixyl 10%. You can't go wrong with this product. It's a fabulous one that's served me well in my skincare routine for the past 2 years. However, if you want to take your matrixyl game to the next level, there is one product that I'd recommend over the ordinary one, and it's this. This is the Timeless Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now, it's badged as a hyaluronic acid serum, but the key ingredient actually is matrixyl 3000. That same great blend of peptides which is delivering from the ordinary product is present here. But you also get that hyaluronic acid alongside it, which is going to plump out the skin and give some immediate anti-aging results, which I love. It's also got a low dose vitamin C. In its low dose, it's going to be a great potent antioxidant. But because it's a low dose, you could also use this alongside your existing vitamin C serum. So it could be a 3-in-1, great for streamlining, or just a great way of getting some hyaluronic acid and some matrixyl in your skincare routine and then retain your existing vitamin C. That flexibility is why I love this product, and especially if you're shopping in the US where Timeless is super affordable, it's not that much more than in terms of cost than the ordinary one, and I think you're getting a lot more for it. This is my personal favorite when it comes to matrixyl, but I think if you're looking to start out your collagen boosting and skincare, matrixyl is a great starter point that's going to deliver some absolutely wonderful results. So matrixyl, a wonderful place to start on your peptide journey. Those studies really show just how potent it is as an ingredient when it comes to boosting the level of collagen and elastin production in the skin. Amazing for anti-aging. But if you want to take your anti-aging game to the next level, kick it up a further notch, then there's some amazing peptide blend serums on the market which harness the power of that matrixyl, but so many other different peptides alongside it. Now, the issue for us, the consumer, is whilst there are lots of different peptide blend options out there, it's quite hard to tell which are the good guys and which might be overselling and not delivering the best formulations. So I want to take the stress out of it for you. If you're looking for the very best peptide blend, harnessing the power of multiple different peptides, including matrixyl, but so much more, just opt for this. This is the Geek and Gorgeous Power Peptides Serum. This is everything. So you've got the matrixyl, which I referenced in that ordinary product and in the Timeless one, giving you that great proven wrinkle reduction. But beyond just that, you've got encapsulated copper peptides. Copper peptide has been fantastic for, again, boosting the rate of collagen production in the skin. You've also got matrixyl synth in here, which is a synthesized version of that matrixyl, which again just kind of takes the results to the next level, takes it a step further. You absolutely can use matrixyl synth alongside matrixyl, and they harness both in here for, I think, just the very best results. You've also got a blend of other different peptides alongside it, and each one of those has been specifically selected for its ability to boost the levels of collagen in the skin. So Geek and Gorgeous really have done the hard work for us. You don't need to choose multiple different peptides for your skincare routine when it's all held in one. It's super affordable, and let me tell you, the texture on this is divine. It's like a beautiful milky emulsion. Use it twice a day for the best results, because like I say, those studies show matrixyl needs to be used twice a day consistently for 3 months to get those amazing results. But this, because it's so gorgeous on the skin, it makes using it consistently so easy. It's a beautifully affordable price point, and yeah, just look, it sinks in. It gives you that hydration, but you know those peptides are getting to work in the skin to give you that amazing anti-aging. Now, Geek and Gorgeous now ship internationally, and they have dedicated sites depending where in the world you're shopping from. So I would always say, make sure you shop your specific site. I've listed them all in the description box below, but you get much cheaper shipping to the UK, for example, if you shop their UK site versus their European site. So make sure you're logging into the right one. And as I said, I've linked all of them in the description box below to make it easy for you. But this, the best peptide blend on the market, bar none. You heard it here first, and I think this is the best way of just taking the stress out of your peptides. Now, finally, when it comes to boosting collagen production, we've already spoken about matrixyl, the best and most well-studied of the collagen boosting peptides. We've then talked about taking it up a notch, combining that matrixyl with some other great pro-collagen peptides in that Geek and Gorgeous formulation. What we haven't talked about is delivery mechanism. So you've got this beautiful blend of peptides, but how do we know they're actually getting to where they need to be in the skin in order to deliver maximum benefit? Well, you don't. You just flood the skin with these peptides and hope that enough of them get to where they need to be to give you the results you want. And in my experience, products like that Geek and Gorgeous one absolutely do just that. But if you want to take some of the guesswork out of it, you could invest a little more of your coin to get a peptide blend that has a built-in delivery technology in order to maximize the amount of peptides that get to where they need to be. I think the best example of this is the Medicaid liquid peptides. Now, this is a very similar blend of different peptides as that Power Peptides from Geek and Gorgeous. Very comprehensive, great for pro-collagen, anti-aging. However, they also have trademarked what they call a drone-style delivery mechanism, which really helps to reinforce the getting in of those peptides to where they need to be in our skin to deliver maximum benefit. Fewer of those peptides go to waste, so you're getting maximum benefit. Now, in my experience, these sort of delivery mechanisms really do work. It's worth that little bit of investment, but that investment is the key word here. You have to pay a bit more to get these delivery mechanisms. So it's not going to be within everyone's budget, and that's absolutely fine. If you're on a budget and you want to do your anti-aging in a cost-conscious way, Geek and Gorgeous, or that Timeless one, have got you covered. If you have a little extra coin to splurge and you don't mind trading up, spending a little more for some of that delivery technology, I think the Medicaid liquid peptides is the best that I've found on the market. There are other patented delivery technologies, such as with the Neod copper amino isolate, which has a similar one. But for me, I just found the Medicaid one, based on my own skin's response, just delivered the greatest benefit. Do you need a patented delivery mechanism in your peptide serum? Absolutely not. But if you do spend a little more to get one, I think you'll definitely see the benefits, particularly when it comes to the speed of the anti-aging. This will work a lot quicker on those fine lines and wrinkles than some of the other peptide serums out there. But you don't need to. If you're on a budget, just have that consistency, which I think is key, and you'll see the great results in the long term, no matter what product you reach for. I do just think it's worth calling out delivery mechanisms because they are adding an element of innovation to skincare, and they're definitely worth acknowledging when it comes to speeding up the response rates that we'll get from our serums. In this video, hopefully you've been able to demonstrate that when it comes to boosting collagen levels in the skin, there's a lot to take into account. We've got some great study-backed matrixyl action. We've taken that a step further with a beautiful blend, including different copper peptides and some encapsulation with that Geek and Gorgeous product. And then we've touched on delivery mechanisms. It all comes down to your individual budget, what your main skin concerns are, and really how you want to approach skincare. There is no right or wrong, but hopefully in this video I've given you guys the information you need to make the right call when it comes to your own skin. Let me know your thoughts on these products in the comments section below, and wherever you are in the world, guys. Stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.